The next credit, optimize energy performance in the energy and atmosphere credit. And this credit applies to the following categories for 1 to 20 points. The intent is to reduce environmental and economic harms associated with excessive energy use by achieving higher levels of operating energy performance. The thinking behind this credit has been explained in the prerequisite minimum energy performance, so we can go straight to the requirements. There are no requirements for the establishment period. For the performance period, demonstrate increased energy efficiency or efficiency improvement beyond the EA prerequisite minimum energy performance, as described in the following pages. Each building must provide actual metered energy data. A full 12 months of continuous energy data is required. So like before, we have some options and different cases. So we'll start with case number 1. This is for buildings eligible to receive an energy performance rating using the Energy Star portfolio management tool. And points are awarded for Energy Star scores above 75% in accordance with the table on the left. So 76, 3 point, 80, 70, 90, 70, etc. For projects outside of the US, consult ASHRAE 90.1 to determine the appropriate climate zone. Now for case number 2, no Energy Star rating available. Option 1, benchmarking against typical buildings. And here we follow part 1, where national average data is available. So here demonstrate energy efficiency performance of 26% better than the median energy performance data against the national source energy data. And you can follow the table to the left. So 26%, 1 point, 29, 4 point, 39, 14 point. You get the idea. If we are following part 2, where national average data is not available, points are allocated according to the table on the left. So 27% improvement leads to 2 points, 36% to 8, and 45 or more to 14. Now for case 2, option 2, benchmarking against historical data. So if national average source data are not available, compare the building energy data for the last 12 months with data from 3 continuous years of the previous 5. Again, normalize for climate, building use, and occupancy. And again, demonstrate a 27% improvement, and points are allocated according to the table as we shown before. 27, 2 points, 33, 6, 45% or higher, 14 points. Now the last option is option number 3, benchmarking against both similar buildings and historical data. So follow the requirements of both option 1, part 2, and option 2 to benchmark against site energy data for the 3 similar buildings and the building's historical data. And again, the table on the left determines how many points will be allocated. And just as with the prerequisite, for the required recommendation, we have first case 1, the streamlined case, and the normal case 1. Provide meter calibration reports, access to the Energy Star portfolio manager account, statement of energy performance, a letter from Energy Star or copy of energy recognition certificate, data verification list, and copies of utility bill summary pages. For case 2, we have 4 different options. Option 1, part 1, option 1, part 2, option 2, and option 3. And here we have the list of items that need to be provided in terms of providing compliant documentation. For this credit, exemplary performance is available. For case 1, achieve a threshold of 97%. And for case 2, option 3, achieve a threshold of 47%.